Every man carries the heart of a boy, and for many, the ultimate dream isn't a luxury sports car, it's a powerful off-road machine built to conquer mud, rocks, and the wild. What makes this build incredible is that it started with nothing but scrap steel pipes, an old motorcycle engine, and a welding torch. No factory, no expensive equipment, and no blueprints, just skill, creativity, and determination. The builder first fabricated a heavy-duty chassis entirely by hand. To give the vehicle exceptional off-road capability, he installed 4 thick red coil springs between the axles, creating a rugged suspension system designed to absorb rough terrain while giving the chassis the aggressive look of a rally truck. Next came the heart of the machine. A custom engine mount was carefully welded into the center of the frame before the engine was securely installed. The rear axle was then tightened into place with heavy-duty bolts, ensuring maximum strength and durability. With the drivetrain complete, attention turned to the cargo bed. Using round steel tubes for the side rails and square steel tubing for the frame, the builder created an incredibly strong platform, reinforced with multiple support ribs. Every weld was carefully ground smooth using an angle grinder, giving the entire structure a clean, professional finish. A high-performance red and black battery was mounted beneath the engine, while thick wooden panels were precisely fitted into the cargo bed, completing the practical loading platform. Then came the transformation everyone had been waiting for. The entire steel frame received a smooth coat of silver primer, hiding every rough weld beneath a sleek metallic finish. Finally, vibrant Chinese red paint was sprayed onto the cargo bed rails, creating a striking contrast with the silver chassis. What was once a pile of scrap metal had become an extraordinary heavy-duty 4x4 masterpiece. To prove its strength, 2 men loaded several heavy woven bags into the truck. The engine roared to life, and the handmade machine charged down rough country roads. Thanks to its powerful suspension and aggressive all-terrain tyres, it handled potholes, mud, and gravel with impressive stability, proving that true engineering is driven by passion, not price. If you enjoyed watching this incredible transformation from scrap metal into an unstoppable off-road beast, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next amazing DIY engineering project.